Okay, so the first thing you want to do is make sure you exfoliate your lips. I get crazy dry lips. I'm always picking my lips right here. I exfoliated with the Fresh one. I feel like the Fresh exfoliator, I actually have it by my nightstand. I use it all the time. It gets like the dead skin off of your lips without ripping your lips apart, and it's one of the only ones that I've gotten that actually have a lot of the little beads in it. I bought one by Laura Geller. It was so expensive and there was like no beads in it at all. I used to use one from e.l.f. that was really inexpensive that actually worked, but I haven't found it in stores in a really long time, and I'm really, really happy with the Fresh one. Because I feel like I get a lot of use out of the jar. Even though the jar looks little, you really don't need a lot. And then it has like oil in it or something that after I wipe away the beads from my face, it still feels like really hydrated, like I have chapstick or something on. But yeah, make sure you do that. So honestly, this is how I make my lips look bigger. I haven't gotten my lips done in a really long time. I feel like almost a year. What I've gotten, it's supposed to last a while. It's like newer and it's lasted. But yeah, I can tell I'm losing volume in my top lip. So I've been doing a little bit more lip contour on my lips just because I got some big ass teeth that, I don't know, I feel like I need to even the score right now. So that's why I kind of overdo my lips a little bit. First, I'm going to take the lip liner from Buxom. This is Undercover. It is pretty much my favorite nude. I don't love a lot of nudes. I have a really hard time. I don't know if it's my skin tone or what, but sometimes nudes they'll either look too red on me, or the brown will look like too grayish on me, or they just will look more orangey. I just have trouble finding like a good nude, and I feel like Undercover looks so good. I was actually at a photo shoot one time, a video thing, and this girl next to me, I was a makeup artist there, and like no nude would look good on the other model either. And I was like, try this Undercover. I ended up giving it to her to bring with her because she was like, this is the best nude I've ever seen. Anyway, totally off topic. So what I do is I start on the outside of my lips right here. I'm going to show it off real quick before I do it, just so it's hard to talk about it at the same time. So I start on the outer corners, and then I'm going to work my way in. And I'm not really going to go above my lip line like the Kylie Jenner situation. I'm actually going to stay on my lips. So you can see I'm kind of just keeping it right here on the rim. And then I'm going to stay really, like as I get to the middle, I'm going to stay more on the outer edge of it and not go so thick into my actual lip. Kind of like that. So you can already see the difference. And then what I'm going to do, I always go like this. And I'm just going to follow my natural lip line. When you go like that, it's going to kind of tighten your lips like that, or straighten them out. That way you can really get and see that line. And then for here, I always put my tongue like that. That way you can really see where your lip line is. Then I'm going to do the same thing, and then I just kind of set this in like that, and then I do the same thing for this corner. I have like a pimple right on the outside of my lip, and God, it fucking hurts so bad. Kind of like that. And that's all I'm going to do for that part so far. Then I'm going to take this liner from Buxom. It's called White Russian. And what I'm going to do, I love this. It's like the perfect light pink. And I'm going to start doing it like right in the middle. See how pink it is? That's going to look super weird at first. But it's fine, just let it go. I always pat my lips because I've noticed sometimes, and I love how it has a little brush, and then it can kind of diffuse the color for you. But I always go really far back, only because I've noticed, like if I smile, because I got like big ass teeth, if I don't go all the way back, you'll see like a definitive line of where I have lipstick on and where I don't. You know what I mean? So I'm just gonna take this little feathery guy and blend these two together on the edges. And then I also take this feather and kind of feather the tail at the top. And at the bottom. And then I'm just gonna go back again and hit it, just to make sure it's nice and pretty right in the middle. Kind of like that. Take another one. And then I'm just going to take a little bit down the middle right here. Kind of like that. And then if you feel like you messed up, what I love about it is you put concealer on with this little feathery guy. It's kind of like a really sharp, tight concealer wand, feathery wand thing. Like that. So far I feel like they're already looking, boom, pretty good. I'm gonna take, it's new, it's from Fresh. Oh my god. This is not sponsored by Fresh, I just, it's like this goodness. It smells like, this is the new caramel, what is this? This is the new sugar caramel hydrating lip balm. It's like a dream in here. It just smells like straight up caramel and it makes you so happy. It smells so good. And I'm just gonna put that into the middle. Doesn't really have much color to it, which is nice. It just has like a really soft sheer tint to it. Oh my gosh, it feels so nice. And I'm literally just gonna put that right on top. And it makes your lips look hydrated and moist, but it doesn't look like glossy and you know how glossy sometimes can look very intense and then your hair gets stuck into it and then someone kisses you and you're like, ugh. This has just a really nice natural look to it. And honestly, this is my favorite way to make my lips look bigger. It's just nice and natural and I feel like it looks good whether you're doing a smoky eye every day, day to day, natural, no makeup, it just looks really pretty. That's all there is to it. Honestly, I do not go overboard and I don't believe going overboard like how the Kylie Jenner thing was going around where you just like make yourself look like a clown. You can tell if lipstick is on your lips or if it's on your face or like hanging off the edge. It's not a good look. So definitely don't recommend doing that. Work with what you got, ladies. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it helps you and I'll see you soon.